Bonsoir, good afternoon. Bastien from BVN Real Estate here near Maderas beach. We are in between Maderas and Marsella. We have a 2-bedroom house in a lot. We'll note later the size of the lot. Here we have a kind of living area and we get in the property. So it's a small 2-bedroom. Start with an open room which is like a kitchen. You see all the roofs, they have like a seal the roof with the wall, so there is nothing would pass. There is mosquito net screen on the windows. Here we go in the first bedrooms. I'm sorry I used my phone today. Forgot our camera. We get in the room. Here we have Felipe and Diego. Here I have the second bedroom. I would say it's the master bedrooms. You have like ceiling fans in both bedrooms. Here we have the toilet, and I don't see the light. I'm sorry. I go for it. And we go outside, and outside we have a garden, a parking lot at the entrance, and here there is a garage. It's a cover garage, closed with a gate, good for one vehicle. It could also be transformed as a unit to sleep, so it could be like a studio with kitchen, independent. We are here a kilometer, we are like 500 meters from Maderas beach. So we have a straight access going up, finding a Hush restaurant and walking down the street. So it will be like a 10-minute walk to arrive to Maderas. Here is my lot. You see, land's fine, so it's about. We'll put I have not the size. I will put it on the link below on comment. And we have big trees near us, so it needs a bit of maintenance, but it's still a very good investment. It will be a low price.